Hello, my name's Asha, and welcome to Kidzone at Home. Merry whatever. For this festive period, we're going to be making snow people with calendars. Who's that? Hello. We're going to start with the design stage. This part's really important for you to explore your ideas. So we could do something very simple and straightforward, like a head and a body. It'd be lovely if our snowman had a hat. We can have some eyes and a carrot nose. We're gonna have stick arms. You could do Olaf from Frozen. He's got nice teeth, hasn't he? He's got funny little twiggy bits of hair. Big button there, and two there. The next stage is the drawing the body stage. So you're going to get your piece of cardboard and you're going to make sure the lines of the cardboard are going downwards. So the bottom of your snowman's going to be here and the top's going to be up here. So the lines go down with the height of the snowman. Start with a nice head shape. Nice big snowball. And then we're going to do our body shape. Once we finish with the body, we're going to put it to one side and we're going to get the smaller piece of cardboard. Again, you're going to make sure the lines are going downwards, and this is for the hat. So we're going to draw the top of our hat here. I'm going to go for a nice top hat. Lovely top hat. Then we're going to draw a nice carrot nose. Mine's going to be nice and big. Lovely, and that's all we need for this part. Lovely, so we're ready to cut out. We're going to leave the hat bit on here and just cut close to the nose, like that. And we're going to put the hat to one side. And then we're going to start with the more simple parts of the cutting. So we cut the big bits off first. Lovely. Then we're going to start cutting the body out. You may want to ask an adult to help you with this, but I also encourage you to try cutting yourself because it's a really important skill to develop. Lovely. And now we're ready to paint our pieces of cardboard. So we're going to start with the body. So we'll need some paint for this one, paintbrush, and some water too. Don't worry about going over the lines, because we'll come to that in a bit. Now we're going to put this to one side to dry. I'm going to grab our little carrot nose. Wash our brush nice and clean and give it a little dry on the tissue if you like. Then we're going to get the orange paint. Lovely. We're going to come back to that in a bit. Again, let's put it to one side to dry. You can probably hear the rain is absolutely storming outside. That adds to the drama of us making this exciting snowman. Right, so we're going to take the piece of cardboard which we drew the hat on. Before we start painting it, we're actually going to cut along the bottom like that. There you go. I'm going to put that to one side for one moment, and then we're going to continue with cutting the hat out. That fancy top hat shape for our lovely snowman. Let's get some painting. So we've got these two bits here. Let's paint the hat first. Fantastic, and let's put that to one side. And then for this bit, we're actually going to paint the whole thing black, and you'll see why later. Wonderful. So now we're going to put that to one side to dry as well. Let's give our area a little wipe. Lovely. If you have a hairdryer at home, that's great, you can use it here, or you can put them to one side for them to dry, go do something else, or put them on the radiator. So I do have a hairdryer, so I'm going to spend a minute doing that. Fantastic, all nice and dry. Fabulous. Now we've got our snowman's body, we're going to start putting the things on. Let's get the pipe cleaners to make our arms. So if you've got a long one, that's about 25 centimeters long. Fold it in half, get your scissors and carefully cut it. So you end up with 2 pieces. Then we're going to go about 1.5 centimeters in, cut there. And you can hold it against the other one. So you cut the same length, like that. And these are going to be the fingers. So put the scissors down. And just wrap it round. Like that. How cute. Hold the pieces together and wrap the long end round. Like that. 2 little arms. Next, we're going to get our pencil. Let's make sure it's nice and sharp. We're also going to get the rubber. So you're going to place the rubber on the table. And now you're going to decide where you want your arm to be. My arm's going to be about here. So you're going to press through the cardboard and onto the rubber. And that stops it going through to the table. Then you're going to do it the other side. Press through, just like that. Then we're going to put the rubber to one side. And we're just going to go into the hole with the pencil a little bit more to make it a little bit wider for the pipe cleaner to go through. Done. So once you've got your holes, let's get a little bit of tape for this next part. And put 2 pieces there and there. You're going to push through the top of the snowman so the fingers are on this side, like that. And maybe about 1 centimeter in, and then tape it. Then it looks like it's poking through. You're going to do the same on the other side. Like that. Fabulous. So now they're in one position, and it looks like they're poked into the side of the snow. Once you've done that, let's get the glue stick, let's get the nose, let's get the hat, and we're going to need a little bit of tape just for some reinforcing. I'm going to put my hat on a nice wonky angle like that because it's very expressive. Get the glue stick out. I'm just going to glue where it's going to be on the head. Lovely. Then you're going to turn it over and reinforce it with some tape. Lovely. We're going to do the same with the nose. So glue the back just to where it's going to be on the snowman, you see, just there. It's going to be there like that. And then we're going to turn it over again. Wonderful. For the mouth part, you're going to need this lovely bit of cardboard we painted earlier, pair of scissors, and what we can do here is we can cut this into smaller pieces to be the buttons and the mouth. Right, so we're going to cut down the long way. So we're going to start with some buttons. Maybe that's enough. And they're going to go there like that. So let's stick them in place. Get the glue stick. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit wonky. I think that adds to the expression. Just like you would have done with some real snow, they wouldn't have been all straight. They might have been a bit wonky. Lovely. For the mouth, we're going to cut them even smaller. And then we're going to cut these in half, so they're tiny, tiny little squares. If you do too many, don't worry, but it's better to have more. I think that's enough for me, so I'm going to put those off. And I'm happy with that, so now it's time to glue them on. Lovely. Let's do the googly eyes. So we've got a bit of a wonky snowman. Let's glue one eye. Put lots of glue on there. For the next part, we're going to grab our permanent marker and we're going to go across the chin of the snowman's face. We're also going to do it on the carrot, so it looks more like a carrot and is more 3D. Just like that. Fabulous. Now it's time to put a lovely piece of ribbon on our lovely snowman. You can also use a piece of fabric, an old piece of fabric that you've cut up, or just something lovely and colourful. Also, your snowman doesn't have to have a scarf if you don't want them to, but mine is. I'm going to put the ribbon around the back of my snowman's head. Then we're going to borrow a finger friend. Come on over, finger friend. Hello. So if you hold that for me, please, finger. And then you're going to tie these together. Just like that. Thanks, finger friend. So it's quite long. So let's just cut it down a little bit. 1, 2. I actually think there could be some around the top of the hat as well. So let's get the piece that we cut off. I'm actually just going to put it there and tape it. Just like that. Ta-da! Gorgeous. For one of the final stages, we're going to actually get a calendar. And you can actually get these from 5 Ways Arts and Crafts. If you go and see Theresa, Denise has left some in there to be picked up. And these are great, so you can see what's going on in the year and what day you're on. Let's pop it in. So my calendar's going to go at the bottom. So all I'm going to do that, and glue it on the bottom. In a similar way to you did with the carrot or the hats, we can put a little bit of tape there too. Lovely. It's going to go there? What the hell's going on with the perspective?
Maybe that should have been further over.